Hey everybody, I'm Michael with Turtlewood Palettes, and today I want to talk really quickly about how to hold our palette. This is just going to be a short video, and I wanted to let you know that the way it's designed, it's supposed to be almost effortless to hold. So I've been asked several times about how to hold the palette correctly, and based upon this design, it's easiest to lay it into your hip right here on the side and let your palm rest down into the palette. This frees up your hands so that you can grab brushes and you can throw them in there, and you could also hold paper towel and put that in there while you paint, painting off your palette and onto your canvas. If you need to get closer to your canvas, just swing the palette away and you can get right up on top of it. And then you can hold the palette and use it the way it was designed. And there's always, if you want to use it a different way, that's totally fine. This is just how we designed it for most people to use. And there you have it. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming videos, and be sure to hit the bell for notifications and the like button, and we'll see you soon.